So I'm going to do Blind Bag Palooza. So first one I'm going to be opening is My Little Pony Wave 10. Oh, I got a glittery one. This is Applejack. Here's her little card. And here's the pony. She's really sparkly. I want you to focus on her. And that was really cool. She'll just be laying down. And next, we're going to do a fashion. I did the notch. My Little Ponies 2, Series 1. I got Twilight Sparkle Princess. Her hair is kind of messed up. My Little Pony again. Garbage over here. And let's open Care Bears next. Here is Care Bears, and here's the ones you can collect. I'll just put it down with it open. What did I get? I got this bear. Let's see. He is Grumpy Bear. So this is Grumpy Bear. And let's open one of these. And so bad. Okay. I thought I could tear it open, but I can't. Which one I got. It's a green figure, I'm going to tell you that. Oh, this is cute. Okay. It's an Omni one. And trash pack. Gotta fix my scissors.
Who are you giving those ones to?
My brother, he likes trashies. Oh, it comes with this little thing. It's just a yellow little thing. I guess it's for these. And here's a card. Wait, let me show them to them first. Wait, I can't get it, like, the perforations where it's like, oh, I can't lift it, but here's these. And I got, I got this guy. That goes to my brother. And he's like a little ladybug. Yeah. And one more thing in here is a dog tag. And next one, how about we do one of these little things?
Oh, I like Beetle.
Beetle.
I like Beetle. Mommy, I like Beetle.
I feel like I'm at the preparation where I can like cut the card. Oh, I'm in a wrecking ball. I guess you're supposed to like throw it. Wait, are you? Like, I forgot. Oh, they're really teeny. I'll tell you that right now. I got this one.
Can I have it?
got this little beetle one. And this one's just a little ball. It's orange. And this was more in here. So this is it. Or like you can forward that. That will be going to my brother as well. And let's open My Little's Pet Shop. Here's it, and here's the back. Oh, this guy's so cute. Guys. Oh, good. Let's see who are you? You are this guy right here. That's cool. Now let's open one of our Zelf pots that we have. Here, what it looks like. Oh, cool, I got Vampulia. Oh, let's see the list in here. The list, wait, I think I got Sparkly. Yeah, I got Vampulia and Sparkly. She got little wings in the back. Not sure if you can see that. Let's open another My Little Pony. My Little Pony. Fashion. Here, looks the same. Though it's hard. I'm just gonna dip. And Twilight. I said Twilight. What's her name? Fluttershy. Okay, you can make it squish. Now let's open one of these Marvel ones. I like superheroes. What? They're from the same creators of the ones, the pony ones. Oh, sorry guys. Yeah, what it looks like. Oh, this cute little skeleton guy. Oh, sorry.
Can I have him?
Oh.
Can I have him?
Yeah. And let's see. Let's open another cowbell. Watch, do, be kind. Scissors. Here's the package. Same as the other one.
Mommy, have that one?